So let's talk about how to use Semrush for analyzing competitor organic traffic. Now you can see here that we're able to view where this competitor's Google Ads traffic is coming from right through the Semrush tool. Now if you don't already have a Semrush account, I'll leave a link down below where you can get signed up for a free trial and test out all these features and everything. But essentially the way I would normally do this is I would start by doing a search for the main topic, right? So like say you're a plumber in Phoenix, Arizona, just type that into Google, and then the top competitors will obviously show up at the top here. So we got like Parker & Sons, Bumblebee Plumbing, Deer Valley Plumbing, and then I'll just copy the link address here, drop it into this search bar. Now in this case there's this /plumbing, which is their plumbing page is what ranks. So we could, open up a new tab and search that page specifically. And from there, we're going to see some, authorities, data, and then this organic search traffic is where we'll probably want to focus here. So you can, anything in blue, you can just click on it and open it up, and it's going to show you data for, that specific metric. So we can see that this page is ranking for 621 keywords. It gets about 1,600 searches or clicks per month from organic searches. If they were to pay for that traffic on Google Ads, it costs them about $68,000 per month just to get that traffic from Google Ads. And they're ranking for a whole bunch of different terms here. So here we can see their position. So just for the term plumber, they rank position 13, which is kind of interesting. Phoenix Plumbing, they're position 3. Plumber Phoenix, position 1. And they're ranked number 1 for like plumbers in Phoenix, Arizona, which is actually the keyword we searched up here, so that makes sense. Seems like pretty accurate here. And then, there's going to be a whole bunch of other data, assuming that you're wanting to do SEO and rank for these keywords that your competitors are already ranking for. You would want to know like the search intent. So this is all commercial, meaning somebody's wanting to purchase a service or a product from this company when they're doing these searches. So these are good keywords to go after if you're trying to sell your services in this case. And then we got like the estimated traffic that they're getting from each of these keywords, their traffic percentage. So this is just a breakdown of all the overall traffic from this specific page on their website. The overall search volume for these keywords and the keyword difficulty. Obviously we got the page here, when it was updated, etc., etc. But the thing you got to be careful with is, as I was showing you before, this page is not going to be necessarily the only thing that they're ranking for in terms of plumbing related keywords, most likely. So if we check out the main website without plumbing, we can see that there's in fact, we might have to filter this down, but there could potentially be other keywords mixed in that they're ranking for on other pages of their site. Actually, in this case, it doesn't really look like that's the case. It looks like basically all the, well, here's one. So Plumber Gilbert, right? This is a totally different page that's focused towards Gilbert, Arizona. So we can start breaking this down. We could filter this to, just has the word plumbing or plumber and see exactly what pages, how much traffic they're getting. So you can see these numbers kind of fluctuate here. And of course you can export this, analyze the data more closely, see what's going on. And then I would just rinse and repeat with the next competitor and the next competitor. So we could, I think this one makes a little bit of sense to show you here just because it's their homepage, right? So it looks like this company only offers plumbing services, which makes sense because it's Deer Valley Plumbing. And so they've got Deer Valley Plumbing Tempe. So some of their business names, they're obviously ranking in position number 1 for their business name. Plumber Phoenix, Arizona, they're position number 2. Drain Unclogger, vinegar down drain. Looks like they're doing some blogging around these different keywords. Pour salt down your drain. Right? But knowing where their organic traffic is coming from, how much traffic they're getting, the value of that traffic is extremely valuable, especially if you're going to be doing some SEO and you want to figure out, like, okay, which of these, where can we gain a strategic advantage? Where are they falling short? Where could we come in and take up some of this traffic that some of the competitors are getting? So I hope you found that helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there. If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade in one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours, and all for less than $50. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.